This is the Halloween add-ons die set from Spellbinders. It's part of the Not Your Ordinary card collection from Spellbinders, and it works perfectly with the Essential Envelopes die set as well, which I'm using here as a base. But you could use the different elements in this die set for elements on the front of a card, for on a scrapbook page, or even for some mixed media. It's all Halloween themed, and there's a collection of dies as well as some stamps that go together beautifully to create these envelope pouches, or like I said, to use as elements on the front of your cards. Here I'm using the candy corn shaped die to create some trees for a different envelope pouch. So it's great to be able to use these dies in ways that are intended as well as different ways as well. This was an idea straight from Wendy Vecchi, and I absolutely love the idea of using the shape of the candy corn as trees, and you can also use it as other shapes as well. Perfect for the holiday season coming up. This set has such a great variety of Halloween themed images.